Data engineer or software engineer, you need to know how to code. Especially if you're a data engineer, please start out with Python. Data manipulation is at the heart of both data engineering and software engineering. So you have to start off with object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming lets you model things as classes, and then it lets you give those things attributes, aka characteristics, and methods, aka behaviors. Here's another thing data engineers and software engineers have in common. You have to understand relational databases. But relational databases is definitely something you have to take a deeper dive into as a data engineer. As a data engineer, not only will you need to learn basic SQL, but you're going to have to move over to learn the different kinds of joins, grouping and aggregations, using indexes to optimize query performance, and setting constraints on your tables. Speaking of tables, you have to understand database normalization and denormalization. In particular, be sure you're familiar with the star schema and the snowflake schema. Yes, you're going to have to know your data structures even as a data engineer. You will also need to know algorithms because you will be asked lead code style questions in your interview. And finally, you're going to get into building data pipelines.